In quadratic equations, we are going to cover what are quadratic equations, how to solve quadratic equations by the method of factorization and also by using quadratic formula, how to determine the nature of roots. Apart from this, we shall apply these methods to solve certain word problems and determine the unknown values by forming quadratic equations from the information given and solving them. Let's begin. What are quadratic equations? An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. A and b are the coefficients of x square and x respectively. Specifically, a is called as the quadratic coefficient, b is called as the linear coefficient, and c is the constant term. So actually, quadratic equations is a polynomial with highest degree 2. Now as mentioned, for the quadratic equation, a should not be equal to 0. It is because if a is equal to 0, then the equation is a linear equation and not a quadratic equation. Let's verify. In the given standard form of the equation, if I substitute a equal to 0, then I get 0 multiplied by x square plus bx plus c equals 0. So this is 0 plus bx plus c equals 0. So this becomes a linear equation. If a equal to 0, then it becomes a linear equation and not a quadratic equation, as there is no ax square term. This means an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now let us understand the roots of a quadratic equation and solution set. The value of x that satisfy the equation are called the solution of the equation or the roots of the equation or the zeros of the equation. For example, this is a quadratic equation in x. Now if I substitute x equal to minus 2, then the left hand side equals minus 2 the whole square plus, you have to just substitute x equal to minus 2 in the given quadratic equation. So it is 4 minus 10 plus 6. This gives left hand side equal to 0 and right hand side is 0. So we have left hand side equal to right hand side. So this means x equal to minus 2 is a root of the given equation. Let's take one more example. In the given quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. If I substitute x equal to 4, then left hand side becomes it is 0. So again here left hand side equals right hand side. So this means x equal to 4 is the root of the given equation. Now what is a solution set? The set of elements representing the roots of a quadratic equation is termed as its solution set.